Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect HP Deskjet 2700 to Wi-Fi. Connecting an HP Deskjet 2700 to Wi-Fi is pretty simple, and the easiest method is through the HP Smart app. First, put the printer into Wi-Fi setup mode by pressing and holding the wireless and cancel buttons together for about 5 seconds. Release the buttons when the blue wireless light starts blinking, which means the printer is ready to be paired. Next, download the official HP Smart app on your Android device, iPhone, Windows PC, or Mac, and open it. Tap Add Printer and wait for the HP Deskjet 2700 to appear in the list of available devices. Select the printer, choose your home Wi-Fi network, and enter the network password when prompted. The app will automatically send the connection settings to your printer. Once setup is complete, the blue wireless light should stop blinking and remain solid, indicating the printer is successfully connected to your network. If the printer doesn't appear in HP Smart, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network and try restarting both the printer and your router before repeating the setup process. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.